Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a health drink or a kashaya. The main two ingredients are basil leaves and Indian borage. So I just want to tell you about few things about these two ingredients. Basil leaves. As we all know, it have a lot of benefits like good for digestion, liver functioning, diabetes, throat infection, heart diseases, etc. So this is the main ingredient. And Indian borage. Indian borage also helps to treat throat, cough, asthma, viral infection, etc. So these two are main ingredients. Let's see others. 1 cup of janggery and handful of basil leaves, 3 to 4 Indian borage, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 inch of ginger, little turmeric, and 3 to 4 shallots. This is 7 cup of water for 7 ingredients, and you can add coriander seeds also. I personally don't like the flavor of coriander seeds, so I just avoided it. So we can boil this water first. Let's close the lid and boil it. So as we all know, the janggery, pepper, turmeric, ginger, all the items included in this kashaya have lot of medicinal benefits. We will add janggery first. We'll melt it very well and boil for 2 minutes. And we know the benefits of janggery also, no? It purifies blood, rich in iron, minerals, and also helps to improve metabolism and nerve system. And even diabetes patients also can have janggery. So we'll boil it for 2 minutes. And also pepper. You all know, no? Pepper also have lot of benefits. Like it prevents any sort of cancer and good for hair, constipation, skin problems, health. It gives good health. So instead of using chilies, you can use pepper. So we'll boil it for 1 more minute. So other ingredients also have a lot of benefits like ginger, turmeric, coriander seeds. So you all must try it. Now we'll add basil leaves. We'll add Indian borage. In Malayalam it is known as paningkurka. We'll boil it. This kashaya is so tasty. Now we'll add shallots. Shallots also helps for cough, throat pain, cough, stomach cramps. This kashaya also helps for acidity problems. Also you can have it. So we'll add ginger. Now we will add pepper. If you don't have pepper, you can add pepper powder, coriander powder, and ginger powder. Now we'll boil it. We'll add a pinch of turmeric powder also. little turmeric. Please do try this recipe, it's so easy. If you have all the ingredients, you can do it within 5 minutes. Even kids can have it. Just make it hot and have it instead of tea, coffee. You can have 1 glass of kashaya in these panic situations. So it's almost done. We'll boil it and close. Let's serve it. Wow, so tasty kashaya is ready. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment. Thank you.